Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room on the Discord platform, to which you are sincerely invited. You can see me trading every day. You can see me live because I do the live streaming every day. So basically, what I wanted to tell you today is not really very much. I made myself unable to trade today, at least on the DAX. Even though we can see that the DAX market today, the DAX 30, was pretty obvious and pretty one-directional during the the Frankfurt, London, and the American session. Basically, it was down, 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 down. So there were a lot of opportunities of getting into a trade, even on every consolidation. There was a possibility to trade the breakout in the bearish direction and make some pips. Anyways, I wasn't concerned. When I woke up in the morning, when I finally came to the charts, I was pretty concerned with what was happening here with my silver trade, right? And I made a very, very big mistake. And I advise everybody to be careful before you. Check twice, check 3 times, check 5 times before you make a transaction, because this can cost you just like it has cost me already today. Basically, what I saw today was that the market showed a certain bullish price action. So the market made a bullish breakout from the consolidation. Now, the thing I did wrong here, the first thing that I did wrong here is that I failed to wait for the retest. So I basically figured out, I thought to myself, well, it seems like they're gonna go up instead of down. Maybe there was some influence from some people on a certain forum that kept telling me that the market is bullish, not bearish. I kept telling them that it's bearish, not bullish, and it's pretty obvious it's bearish, not bullish. However, they kept pressing on me that I'm wrong. So basically, I think that this was the major influence here. This price action and combined with those false advisors, right, caused me to think that I should get out of the market, right, get out of this trade. And I remind you, this trade was 0.01 lot, so a minimum possible volume, right? Now, my thinking was like this. So since they want to go up, I'm going to turn around at double, right? So I wanted to turn around at 0.02 lots. What I actually did was a great big mistake, because I actually got in at 0.2 lots, which is 20 times more than this. Somehow my mind was fixed on the minimum lot on the DAX 30, because I always trade the DAX 30, and there on the DAX 30 the minimum lot is 0.1. That's the minimum. And somehow I just simply opened 0.2, and then when the price started falling down, well, in the beginning it was moving very slowly, and I was seeing strange numbers, yeah, like 10, 20, 30, $50. What the fuck? It should be like $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And then I realized what a mistake I made. Anyways, then there was some news from America, from the United States, and all of a sudden there was a violent drop. Yeah, a violent drop, and I had my stop loss all the way down there, but the price didn't reach my stop loss, and it moved back, and it moved back all the way up to here, all the way up to here. So I thought to myself, maybe this was something that it's usually called a shakeout, right? So like they're shaking out and then they're coming back up. So I waited. Well, then the market started moving back down again. In this moment, I thought, no. I thought to myself, well, it's gotta cost me. So far, this mistake cost me $520. So, considering my initial account of $2,000, well, that's a pretty big drawdown. And at this moment, I decided that I'm gonna get in short again. Why? Because I switched to the daily chart, and obviously the trend right here is down, not up. At this moment, the trend is down, not up, and the retest, the potential or the potential pullback or retrace is all the way up to down here. And I don't really need that much. I need about this much to recover my losses and make a very nice profit. And basically, as we can see on the daily chart, the day is most probably going to end. Well, it's not. There isn't a lot of time to end the day, so the day most likely is going to end bearish and engulfing. Bearish engulfing. In this case, it's nobody's going to tell me that it's a bullish market at this moment. No, it's not a bullish market. It's actually a bearish market, or at least a bearish, at least as far as some pullback is concerned, right? I'm not saying that it's gonna for certain make a new low. I don't know that, right? And I'm not even counting on that. But at this moment, I was simply right. I was simply right all the time. So that first 0.0 lots should have still been there, and should have still been floating and waiting today, because it turned out that it would have even been at profit today, considering where the price had dropped. So anyways, so right now I'm simply faced with a shitty situation, and this is something everybody should be warned about, that something like this can also happen to you. It's a stupid mistake, but it's a very costly mistake, because by the time I figured out what I had done, I was already in let's say deep shit, right? So a bad day, and the funny thing about it is that actually you're not able to recognize that you're having a bad day until some shit happens. And that's because everybody says, okay, if you don't feel too well, or you're tired, or you didn't sleep well, or something, just don't trade. But on the other hand, there is simply when you are when a person is in this kind of state, they simply don't recognize that they are in this kind of state. Exactly like I didn't recognize, and I didn't even think about it for a while. I mechanically opened 0.2 instead of 0.02. And didn't even realize what happened until I was already in deep shit. So yeah, so that's it for today. We're gonna see what happens. I mean, tomorrow there's a holiday in my country. Nevertheless, the markets are still open. So basically, mm, at least some markets. I didn't see any information about silver being closed, so I'll be watching tomorrow. I won't be able to trade the DAX because I'm kind of, I have to have some room for the price to move, right? Because yeah, it's always some kind of a pullback is always possible, right? So I need that room, and I think that, well, can't promise you anything, but I'm gonna try to hold out this trade right now because I am certain right now. I am certain that this is gonna go down, at least for some distance, right? Whether or not I'm gonna be able to hold it out and only recover my losses with a little bit of profit, or if I'm gonna be able to hold it out all the way to my take profit, I don't know, can't promise you. There's also a chance that I'm gonna lose this account, right? Always a chance. I don't know. I can't say anything. Okay, anyways, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please like, please subscribe, please ring the notification bell. You've got all the links below. Join my Discord server. Join my the Dallas Trading Room on the Discord platform. And also, if you like, please become my patron on patreon.com, and all my patrons really get a lot of benefits. Of course, those who are at minimum $17 per month. $17 per month. Thanks a lot for today. I hope you're all well. I hope everything comes back to normal, and see you tomorrow. Bye.